Whew. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me again. Whew, it is a hot one yet again. This is 101 degrees today. So we're cleaning up, just getting this thing wrapped back up in here. I figured I'd bring you guys in on this little bit of fun and just give you an idea of how ridiculously bright out it is out here. Whew. But yeah, thanks for joining me again. Remember, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you want to see, what kind of content you guys are interested in. Yeah, if you guys got any comments or anything, any sort of improvement, let me know. Definitely post up in the comments. I will definitely get in there, check those out, respond. So yeah, but yeah, thanks for joining us. We're gonna try to get this thing packaged back up in here. It is a hot one, so again, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an insider look at what all actually goes on in the involvement in replacing the engine. So this is like one of the last steps, just getting this thing packaged up, getting it ready to ship back up out of here, so we can. Oh man, I get way out of it. So we can get the core fundage back out of this thing. Again, I don't really need a broken old engine sitting in my garage for recording. Too hot. Wow. So I get 10 seconds. Rest and sweat. Woo. Sunlight's bright. Oh my. Woo. You can see the extreme heat. Man, it's hot. It's probably over there in like San Antonio and places like Arizona just laughing at me. Like, ha ha ha, you think that's hot? Ain't nothing yet. But it's warm for here. Most of the way out there, yeah. I think it's further this way, but yeah. Longer lever required. this and make sure you put it back pretty much as best you can the same way it came out. A lot of times they'll find any excuse they can to try to chop money off of what you're owed. So, sure. Solid job. Nothing to complain about. I'll bolt it back on. So it's all bolted back on. It's got back tie that knot's tight, pallets intact, so I'm just gonna get the cardboard cover for it and we'll get it dialed. Woo, that was a hot one. So yeah, stay tuned, we'll get the cardboard cover on it. And oh jeez Louise. Such great camera work today. The box itself weighs a good chunk. Okay. Everything's, I think, tightening on the bolts on the box there. Okay, it's a little bit better. And there's something even, maybe 11. There you have it. Whole process. Woo! Cool. Alrighty. Well, there you have it. Thanks for joining me. That was a fun one. Yeah, we just gotta get all this equipment cleaned up, put everything away, and then there's just a bunch of paperwork you gotta fill out. You gotta basically contact the shipping company, or excuse me, the engine company, and they'll contact the shipping company and they'll get you a bill of sale. Or excuse me, not a bill of sale, bill of lading. Basically the shipping information, and they will send it to you, print it out, attach it to the box, and then you're gonna have to basically get in contact with the shipping company and arrange for a pickup, when to pick that thing up. Excuse me. And then they will just come and pick it up. I don't have to be here, so it's kind of a nice part about it, but whew. All right, it is scorching hot, which I'm sure probably you guys are all ha ha ha. You don't see nothing heat-wise, but for me, it's pretty warm, so. I'm gonna wrap this stuff up and go inside and sit inside and take a break in front of a fan for a few, because it is really, really hot. So, all right, again, thanks for joining me. Make sure you come back, check out the other videos in the Ram Project series if you haven't checked those out. I'm gonna do a couple more on it. There's a few other things we need to do. We need to put fender flares on it still, but yeah, there's a few other things that need to be buttoned up, just little things, but otherwise, yeah, we're pretty much dialed. So definitely go back, check out those other videos. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us out. We're a small channel, we're growing. So, and then yeah, if you guys got any requests, any comments, concerns, anything, definitely hit me up in the comments. Love to hear you guys' feedback. Otherwise, yeah, have a great day. Thanks for joining me. And yeah, stay cool out there.